Hi, it's Fiestaro. So hello Pisces placements, Busy Shore reading. Okay, so kung ito ang dapat mong malaman o pagdating sa person mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong biging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga protection from evil eye, ang ating love bracelet, si Granter, yung ating new item for cord cutting, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, and if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message na lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi naman po, no? Yung pwede kong i-refer sa inyo. Okay? So, meron din po siyang FB page. Hanapin nyo na lamang. Okay? So, Kuya Dingsi po, ang pangalan niya. Okay, so let's start the reading, Pisces. Okay, gamit tayo ng oracle. So, this is a specific message. Okay, specific regarding sa looks ni person. Okay, so kung makuha man natin, edi good. Kung hindi natin makuha, edi okay lang. Okay, this is collectives kasi marami kayong nanonood, no? So, may chance na hindi ko talaga makukuha yung lahat. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang meron sa energy, sa looks, ng Pisces. Ba't ako mali-mali? Ano ang meron sa looks ng person, ng mga Pisces? Okay. Very young. Ay, ang ganda ng ngiti niya, no? Very young. There. Okay. So, pwedeng bata, younger maybe, or talagang sabihin nating young at heart lang, mga ganong bagay. Okay, so maybe tingin din natin is pwedeng kung may edad na siya, pwedeng looking young, no, younger looking. Okay, short hair. So, pwedeng sa babae, short hair. Okay. What else? Asian. Okay. Asian. What else? White, gray hair. Okay, so pwedeng ganun na yung kulay ng buhok niya. Ganun na yung mga buhukan. Kunin lang ang alam ninyong inyo, okay? So, white American. See? Look at her hair. Diba? Ganon din. Like this one. Diba? Some of you, pwedeng ganyan na nga yung color ng hair. Buhukan ng person mo. Buhukan talaga, no? Pero young at heart. Diba? May mga ganyang bagay. Okay, let's see what else. Okay. Nicely dressed. So, magaling magdala. No? Magaling magdala ng pananamit. Ganyan. Mapababae, mapalalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Okay? So, what else? Last two, pagdating sa looks nitong person mo. Medium hair. So, we have here short hair, medium hair. Okay? So, kung hindi ka naka-resonate dun sa short, pwedeng medium. Okay? Hindi kahabaan, maybe. Okay? So, kung lalaki man, pwedeng medium hair yung person mo. Okay, last. Pagdating sa person ng mga Pisces, blonde. Diba? May white gray hair, may blonde. Black clothing. Some of them, they're into black clothes. Okay, they want wearing black, colored black. Green eyes. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking mga nakikita pagdating sa looks, physical looks ng person. mo. Okay? So, kung naka-resonate, good. Kung hindi, then, bigay mo na sa iba. Baka sa iba yon. Okay? Baka sa ibang person. Baka sa ibang Pisces na nanonood. Okay? Okay lang naman yun. So, dito na tayo sa tarot. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Pisces placements. I heard cross-watcher. Somebody is cross-watching Pisces. Okay, maybe your person is a Pisces. Or maybe some of you, you're like a fellow Pisces. Okay? So, anong meron sa person mo? Pisces placements. Anong meron sa person mo para makilala mo siya? Ito. The Sun. Pwedeng Leo. Pwedeng pinanganak ng summertime. Mga ganyang bagay. Masiyahin. Okay, or maybe nagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa'yo itong taong to. Or nagbigay ng kasiyahan sa'yo. What's with the Sun? Some of them, they have kids. Or maybe they have child. The Seven of Swords. Some of you itong taong to, magaling magtago ng katotohanan or maybe hindi ibinibigay ng taong to yung kailangan mong sagot. They're hiding it. I don't know why. Some of you, you're in a separation right now. The Tower, the Ten of Wands. Yeah. Hinahanap mo tong taong to, Pisces. Are you looking for them? I think. Or maybe pwedeng siya yung humahanap sa'yo. We have here Leo and air sign. Anong situation? Anong situation? Somebody is hiding kung ano yung kailangang ipakita, kung anong kailangang sagot, kalinawan. Parang hindi talaga, like tinatago in general. Okay, hindi ibinibigay. So, there's this confusion maybe, no? Anong situation meron? The Three of Wands. This is expectations. Okay. What's with this? Somebody, okay, Pisces, I heard na pwedeng itong taong to is attracted sa'yo pero they're hiding it. Okay, they're hiding it. So, sa situation, we have here the Three of Wands. This is expectations. This is energy of waiting. The Hermit. What? The Hanged Man. A lot of waiting. A lot. So, Pisces, sa nakikita ko, no, dito pa lang sa barahang to, sa apat na to, andito yung parang meron siyang mga plano pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pero hindi ko nararamdaman na pangit or hindi ko nararamdamang masama yung intention ng taong to. Okay? Maybe sabihin natin meron lang silang dahilan talaga kaya hindi pa nila kayang maging transparent pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Ay, ito may narinig ako sa specific, super specific. They have a kid pero hindi mo alam. They're hiding that from you or maybe tinago niya yun sa'yo. Pwedeng alam mo na, pero ngayon mo lang nalaman, may ganyan. Pwede kasing may dahilan siyang maganda or may dahilan lang siya talaga, kaya hindi niya agad nasabi. Okay? May ganong energy. Sobrang specific nun. May anak sila, pero tinago sa'yo. Okay? They want you kasi, I think. The Three of Wands is here. They want you. So, I think, sabihin nating may mga kailangan lang siya munang itago para like unti-unti siya magiging open, like hindi agad-agad. I don't know why. Okay? Let's see, what is their true feelings for you? What is their true feelings for you? Sana hindi third party, no? Or person, ibang tao. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Why? Temperance in reversed. They're being impatient. They're being impatient pagdating sa maybe new beginning, okay, or a connection, like totally connection, like serious connection with you. I think Pisces, nabibigyan mo ito or nabibigyan ka niya ng kasiyahan, okay, pero their feelings is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. They want to rush things. They want to rush kung ano man ang mga kailangang gawin or maganap dito. I don't know. Ngayon, parang gusto na lang higitin. Oo, yung oras. Parang ganyan. Pero, yeah. The Seven of Swords, the Hermit. Ang naririnig ko dito, sana maintindihan mo ko, Pisces. Sana maintindihan mo ko kung anong meron sa backstory ko. Parang ganun. Sana matanggap mo ko kung anong meron ako, kung ano ako, kung sino ako, something like that. Okay? That is why. Yeah. They like you. Ayaw nito na mawawala ka actually. Ayaw niya, yeah, they see you as sabihin natin miss opportunity if ever. Okay? Kung hindi kayo magkakaroon ng connection or sabihin natin kung hindi kayo magre-reconnect muli. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Sasabihin ko po lahat ng pwede or sabihin natin parang nakikita ko. Okay? So, dun kunin nyo lang. Kunin nyo lang kung anong sa tingin yung inyo. Okay. What is their next action? Tingnan ko muna yung energy. Energy muna. Energy ng person na to, Pisces. Anong energy? The Five of Wands in reverse. Ayaw niya ng drama actually. Yeah, ayaw niya ng drama. That is why. Yeah, the Six of Swords. Ayaw niya ng drama. Sabihin natin, ayaw niya na kung ano man yung mga nangyari sa kanya sa past is makapagbigay ng drama, ng problem sa ngayon. Okay? Yeah. Iniiwasan niyang mangyari yon, I think. Kaya siguro ganyan. So, what's their next action towards you? The Queen of Pentacles universe. So, hindi pa rin sila totally magiging open or available or what. Okay, why the Queen of Pentacles? Yeah, see, the Ace of Swords. Yeah. I think Pisces, you're the one, okay, na gustong i-rush na kung anong meron sa inyo. You're being impatient, maybe pwedeng yun yung nararamdaman niya. Okay, na ikaw ay parang nagmamadali na sa sitwasyon, sa connection nyo na to. Yeah. Parang kung ano man, hindi pa sila handa na ipakita, ipaalam sa'yo yung mga dapat ipaalam. Hindi pa sila handa. Andun pa rin yung takot nila maybe. Baka mamaya iwan mo ko. Baka mamaya alisan mo ko. Baka mamaya matapos to. Di wala na. Parang gano'n. Nandun yung takot ng person. Wag nating pipilitin yung tao na maging open. Kasi, syempre, di ba, hindi natin alam mga pinagdaanan. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Outcome / advice for Pisces. Two of Chalices. Okay. The Emperor. Matutong umintindi. Okay? Matutong umintindi. Yeah. Yun lang. May the Ten of Chalices in reversed. Matutong umintindi. Kung hindi pa handa yung isa, then intindihin. Pero, syempre, magkakaroon ka dapat ng limits or boundaries din. Okay? Hindi pwedeng, hindi siya open sa'yo, pero ikaw open na open ka. Don't. Gagawin ko to sa'yo, pero dapat gagawin mo to sa akin. Don't. Okay? Meron kailangan ng fixing dito. Sa part mo, sa part niya. Okay? So, act mature. Hindi dapat tayo, the 10 of Wands in reverse, the 7 of Wands. Sinasabi rito na i-drop ninyo if this situation is weighing you down or something like, wag nyo masyadong tawag dyan, pilitin or i-force yung isang sitwasyon para maging okay or para maging, tawag dyan, mag-workout. Don't. Okay? If this person is not ready pagdating sa'yo, then kailangan mong intindihin yon. Okay? Kailangan mong intindihin. Pero syempre, hindi naman dapat iintindihin lang ng intindihin. Kailangan mo rin magtanong, bakit ganito? Bakit hindi ka pa ready? Mga ganyang bagay. Kung hindi man niya masasagot yon, okay, nang sa tingin mo is mabibigyan ka ng kasiguraduhan or ng assurance or magandang sagot, then step back. Step back. Yeah, you have to step back. And then tingnan mo kung anong gagawin niya sa gagawin mong pag step back. Okay? Well, minsan may mga sitwasyon na wala dapat tayong talagang gawin. Okay? Wala tayong pipilitin para may gawin yung isa. Okay? Anyway, so kanya-kanya naman, kanya-kanyang sitwasyon, kanya-kanyang dahilan kung bakit. So, kailangan ninyong malaman. Okay? Kailangan nyong malaman. In general, merong something sa past ng taong ito ang parang pumipigil sa kanya na maging open sa'yo. They're afraid. They're afraid. They're not ready. So, intindihin mo na lang din. Tanungin mo. Okay? Sila din naman ang magiging open kung kakayanin na nilang maging open. Okay? Hindi natin pwedeng pilitin yung isang tao na, ano bang meron? Oo, kailangan may paintindi sa akin or what? Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? You don't do that. Okay? So, sandali lang po ha. Okay. So, punta na tayo sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, the zodiac sign you're dealing with, Pisces. Okay. Aries. They want your attention. Taurus. Some of you, merong block, no? May block. Maybe messages. Some of you, itong Taurus na to gusto kanyang i-pursue rin. Okay? Or maybe ikaw gusto mong i-pursue. Gemini, they're into you. Okay? Passionately. Cancer, they're dropping you. Or maybe you have to drop that. Cancerian. Leo, ego and pride. Yeah. Virgo, no, they love you. They want you. They like you. Libra, they want forgiveness, or maybe they want a new beginning, or maybe another chance. They need something from you. Yung si Libra. So, Scorpio, Ayaw nila ng stress. Okay? Maybe some of you, kung wala kayong connection or communication ngayon nito ni Scorpio, ayaw nila ng stress. Okay? Ayaw nila mag-isip na mag-isip. Sagittarius, I miss opportunity. Okay. Capricorn, they're being indecisive. Yeah, they're in a crossroads. Aqua, there's this energy of a separation or something like expect kung anong hindi mo in-expect from this Aqua. Okay? Pisces, they're sad, confused. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.